What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Caleb with Linecraft, and start a new series. It's going to be it's all backyard putting green. Now, if we go back in time 2 years ago, I started this project and I actually overseeded with bent grass. And it turned out phenomenal. I didn't take out the Bermuda, so the Bermuda was inside of it, but that bent grass, because it was so low, it was kind of choking the Bermuda out. And I got it looking really good. And then May of 2023, when we were on vacation, I got back and it got hit with Pythium blight, extremely bad, completely ruined it. I'll throw some pictures up. So I just top dressed pretty heavy with just regular play sand, and I'm gonna roll for the next few days until the sand starts to fill in, which it's already filling in pretty well because I'm recording this a little late from after I top dressed. And then we'll start mowing. So right now I had it, before I top dressed, I had it at 0.25 for the height of cut. And I'll probably drop that down to 0.20 and start bringing that down since I've already top dressed. But it should fill in pretty well. Now we'll be spoon feeding nitrogen weekly with really low doses, just try to keep the growth steady and minimal. And I'll also be hitting it with a light dose of PGR because this isn't a dwarf Bermuda, it's a hybrid Bermuda. So it's not a thinner blade. It's really not meant to be cut that low, but this is a fun little project for me to see how low we can get it and if it's putt worthy. And maybe I can find the stent meter to be able to actually test it to see where it's at. But I'm really excited. So the cups, I can link everything. The cups were already here whenever I originally started this whole endeavor. I think anybody that has a real mower and eventually has the great idea to, hey, I think I can put a putting green in here. It is a heck of a lot of work, let me tell you. Especially for me, I'm having to take my mower from the garage all the way around the house to the backyard just to mow this, and I was mowing it every day at the peak. But I think I'm gonna be doing more rolling, so I might mow every other day, and I think the PGR, if I stay strict on that, then that should help a lot. Now, because this is on a different zone, really the backyard's on a different zone or a different schedule as my front yard. So now I have 3 different schedules that I'm trying to manage. I use the Linecraft tracker. It's extremely easy to use. You can track all your nutrients, your costs, which is huge, as well as your growing days. If you're using PGR, that's probably the most valuable thing for me, and knowing what height I cut it last, because when you're cutting your backyard and your green at different heights, it becomes extremely difficult to manage and remember because you're busy. I have 2 kids, married, full-time job. Let's see, so the backyard, I'll give you a kind of rundown. So the backyard is 1,500 square foot. I have the green at about 500 square foot, give or take. That's what I'm using my inputs as anyways. And so Bermuda, I don't know the kind, could be common. I don't think the back is common. I think the back is a hybrid. The color is, it's just it's a thinner blade. I think it's and they redid the backyard, which I can show you. I mean, there's a patio here, so I think they put in maybe Tifway 419. Not 100% sure on that. Wish I was though. Really wanted to know. And so the reason why the backyard is on a different height is really because our height is the front yard. I've got a 0.30 right now, and that's because of the dog. Sun. We don't get as much sun back here, so it does have a hard time recovering, but we did take some trees out, which helped a lot. But again, we still have a dog, so she pees everywhere. And I can kind of show you, I don't know if you can see this. Just take this off of here. So I've got a fishing line running all the way down to the trampoline and tied up to this spike aerator to try to keep the dog from peeing.
Okay, let's go.
Now this spot you'll see in some photos from the original. I had to dig this out. There was like a few rocks in here, so this spot wasn't growing very well. And if you kind of pull up, this spot here it'll die off every winter because sun changes. This doesn't get a lot of sun. It will get a lot of sun in the middle of summer because the sun shifts. But So this will fill in really well, and I'll plug it so it fills in faster. But just kind of give you a little rundown of where we're at. Again, cups are already in. It actually filled in because I just started, I gave up on it after it died. I was over it. An old flag, so I'll probably get some new flags. And yeah, you can kind of see the patio here, all the pea spots. So stay tuned, there'll be a lot of content. Now this is the first, I've started this channel in lawn craft supply. Again, I'm a father to full-time job. I'm in sales and just starting this whole endeavor. So I'm gonna be recording randomly when there's nobody out because I'm a little embarrassed. And yeah, but I really appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully stay tuned, please subscribe, it really helps a lot. Like the videos, I'm just starting out, so follow my journey. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the videos. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe and help your boy out. Appreciate it. Have a good day.